Here at Rockaway, we recently had the opportunity to bring a client's landscape vision to life around their newly constructed pool. This backyard was ready for a complete transformation, and our team was excited to create a polished, resort-style outdoor space built for both beauty and function. We installed robust wooden borders to define the perimeter planting beds and give the space a crisp, finished look. Next, those beds were filled with a vibrant tropical plant palette, including large palm varieties, crinum lilies, birds of paradise, hibiscus, and lush ground covers. To support long-term health and sustainability, we also installed drip irrigation to deliver water efficiently at the right intervals. And to complete the space, we added pet-friendly artificial turf in the walking paths around the pool, providing year-round, low-maintenance greenery that looks great in every season. At Rockaway, we handle every step of the process, from design consultation to full installation, with daily progress updates and clear communication to ensure homeowners are thrilled with the final result. And we're not done yet. Next, we'll be moving to the front yard for a full landscape makeover, including fencing and exterior enhancements to complete the home's curb appeal. If you're ready to upgrade your outdoor space, contact Rockaway today for all your landscape construction and maintenance needs.